It's Friday morning, actually pretty close to noon. Supers together, did inner and outer front bearings, gaskets, got the generator taken care of. So we're gonna get this thing off and do some light break-in work, maybe run the bale wagon, do some raking. Got 2 small fields here to do, probably all small squares, and then we got a bigger one tomorrow. One of the old hay sheds is looking pretty empty. Guess he sold 51 or 52 round bales this week. Got another load of squares going to another horse farm. It's ready to go, making room for all the new stuff. And it is hot today. It's 90 before noon. So that's gonna be pretty fun. Tomorrow's supposed to be even worse for some of the new stuff. Guess Dad's cutting more hay today. My brother just took off to go finish raking a field out back, so let's go see how 66 is doing. This area is all just grass. This used to be pasture. Back when we used to milk, cows had free range out here. So we make this, make some nice grass bales. Still can't get over hearing the sound of the 4-cylinder. It sounds so different. All our Olivers have always been 6. I think we're gonna have a lot of bales today. Pretty heavy. Leaving some of this grass for green chopping. Here's a cornfield I shot with the drone. Oh, pretty good. Here's that seeding from that drone video, that orchard grass, oats, and alfalfa. So that's coming in. We got rain just in time. And then there's some canary grass around the lowland here we cut and make hay with. So Cutting every little patch. Shade. See the 90 mark? 95 in the shade. Nice. Season count so far, 714. That would have been yesterday. So we'll see what we end up with at the end of the day today. The old 336, the 1555. Got the 60s air conditioning, the umbrella. Field number 1. Kind of a smaller piece in between some corn and some beans. Like just under a round and a half is going to be a full load on the stacker. Two, 3 feet, couple feet. Go back now, back up. Nice. I think I'll leave you guys here. We had some setbacks this afternoon, about 2 hours. The knotter on the baler is wore out. One of the knots transferring from one of the twine balls got hung up, and the gears in that knotter are so wore, they're like sharp, and it bound, and I actually skipped a gear on that plate. I don't know what any of those parts are called. Anyway, very wore out. Ended up having to shim it, put it together, trial and error. Too late to get parts. Now we're getting into the evening, so it's cooled off a little bit, and we're up in our old meadow. It's a wildlife pond and then a spring-fed one in the woods. Kind of a nice summer night. Good spot to leave. Dad took back over, got his chores done. I'm gonna head home. Tomorrow we got round bales, square bales, and some of our bigger fields, and they're across town, so we'll be transporting with the trailer and doing some squares. It'll be busy. See you tomorrow.